Got an interesting one today. It's your boy Uncle Los just pulling up. This is a residential house, mind you. That's interesting. Uncle Los is gonna take all this tile out. Water's off. So crazy looking. It's awesome. I love flushometers. All right. There you go. Now, bust open the
you want
tiles.
Put some in the. Oh, this thing?
Yeah. Let's. What could I put up in there?
This way.
Yeah, I'm gonna stub it out down here somewhere, about 8 inches off. Here, let me. So I'll probably stub it out about in this area right here. It's about 8 inches, or maybe more. Look right there. Yeah, let me put something in there. All right, so we got a 1 inch right here. Then we also have this 1/2 inch line, which is, maybe we just stub it out right there. There's a little booger on it right there though. I'd have to get that off. Yeah, it tees off. Yeah, likely. I don't know. Or maybe we just chop it, reducer, 90 it out.
That's the main idea.
Yeah, maybe I will. So we're gonna stick with, so this is approximately 8 inches. This is exactly 8 inches off the flange here. So if I stub that up, 90'd it out, that'd be fine. But we're gonna stay, we're looking at the baseboards here. These are 5.5, they're big ass baseboards, dude. I mean, this one, that one's 8 inch.
God damn.
So.
That's not even regular.
I know. So we're gonna stay with about, we're gonna stub it out about right here, just in case in the future, maybe they wanted to match. So we'll probably do about, I don't know, cut it about right there. Actually, I'll cut it there, put a reducer, and then, yeah, that's what I'll do. All right, before we get to the water lines, just want to examine this flange, and it looks good. It's stainless steel. I've not seen one of these flanges with this little lip here. I've seen old cast iron flanges have this little lip. But doesn't really matter, it's fine. It's a Sioux Chief stainless. So this is just slightly above the floor here, so it's looking good. All right, we'll set the bolts up, and then Uncle Los will be back. He's gonna do the, I'm gonna stub it out of this right here. He's going to Home Depot. I'll be back, I'll be done. He'll knock that out, and then we'll get the toilet installed. Okay, so the way we're gonna do this is you have a regular coupling, you have a 1 inch by 1/2 inch reducer, and then you have Street 90 1/2 inch. I'm gonna press that all together and then sit that on top. And then press that. And then we'll stub out a piece of copper and a male adapter. All right, so I'm likely gonna have to crawl under there and strap this, because this is flopping around in the wind like none other here. Because I don't know how I can try to strap it like that, but yeah, maybe I'll put a 1/2 inch strap right here. That'll hold it in. Put a little strap on there. That ain't moving, bro. That is on there. That's it, man. And that sucker will go on right like that. I'll probably cut this back a little bit. And yeah, man. Okay, let's I guess I can't really do anything else until Uncle Los is done here. All right, let's test the water. You holler at me.
Yep.
You see any leakies? Actually, shut my gun. And the faucet. Any leakies?
Nope, we're good.
Nice. Nice. Lowe's throwing it down on the tiz aisle. Heck yeah, dude. All right, let's. Yeah. Hell yeah. All right, let me clean that up and then we'll install this toiletta. That looks good, man. Too bad, too sad. Nothing I can do about that. This floor is nice and level. The customer supplied this, by the way. I did not bring that. So we will flip it over like so. I need two hands, but you get the picture, right? Oh yeah. That's a nice flushing toilet, man. Dang. It's a solid flush, dude. Heck yeah. Got any leakies? I don't see no leakies. Nope. No leakies. Added a little Lexel around the base. Looks clean, dude. It's a nice toilet. I'm surprised. Looks good. All right, later.